Hello everyone. So in this video I will convert a Dribbble app design into Flutter code. So we are going to use this screens. I will copy image and paste it into Cloud. I will use Cloud. So I have write the command to convert these three screens into Flutter code. So the code is generating, so let's wait, and we will also test the code. So we will check if his code is matching with UI design or not. So let's wait for it. So the complete code is generated, so I will test it. I will paste into main dot and run the code. So I hope UI design will be completely matched with the Dribbble design. So let's wait for the application to run. So as you can see, the application is running, and a splash screen, login screen and a sign up screen. So it is completely fine. There is some minor issues such as color of text fields and some text alignment, but it's completely fine. It is 99% perfectly. So this is the best. You can convert any Dribbble design or Figma design with the help of Cloud into the Flutter code.